Want to finally win in crypto in 2025? Forget the hype. You need tools that actually work. That's where Immediate Neon comes in. This powerful AI trading platform is built for real results, not guesswork. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Immediate Neon gives you a real edge 24/7. But before we dive into the details, a quick heads up. Only use the official Immediate Neon link in the description below. That's your secure access point. And by registering through this link, you'll also unlock an exclusive bonus. Let's face it, the Canadian crypto market never sleeps. It's fast, volatile, and packed with opportunities, but timing is everything. Prices can shift in seconds. Missing the right moment to enter or exit can cost you profits or lead to losses. That's exactly where Immediate Neon comes in. Not just as a tool, but as your smart trading partner. It uses advanced AI to continuously analyze real-time data, track whale activity, react to market news, and execute trades with lightning speed and precision. It's like having a pro trader by your side 24/7, without human error. And the best part? You don't need to be a chart expert or spend hours studying technical analysis. Immediate Neon works quietly in the background, data-driven, efficient, and automated, so you can focus on your life while your trading is handled intelligently. When it comes to security, Immediate Neon has you covered. It integrates with top-tier exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, providing high liquidity, tight spreads, and banking-level security. Your funds stay under your full control. You can withdraw anytime, adjust your strategies, and set your preferred risk level. Want to try it out first? Use the risk-free demo mode to test everything before going live. Whether you're building your first portfolio or managing larger investments, Immediate Neon scales with you. Thousands of users in Canada already trust the platform. The results? Consistent returns, powered by smart, AI-driven technology. Important. As Immediate Neon grows in popularity, fake websites are starting to appear. Only use the official link below to stay safe. Still have questions? Sign up now. Our support team is ready to help you every step of the way. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on crypto and AI trading in Canada. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, trade clever, and stay one step ahead of the market.